In this video, we explain how Tiliter Vision Agents work inside Slack. You'll learn the difference between Evaluator Agents and Validator Agents, how to set them up, and why they give your team faster, smarter image insights. Teams share images and docs in Slack all the time for reporting, checks, or verification. But once they're dropped in, they remain unstructured. There's no easy way to search or analyze files or confirm if something is missing. And that's the gap Tiliter Vision Agents fill. Evaluator Agents give you instant analysis. Drop your images and the agent evaluates it right away. That could mean scoring cleanliness, detecting damage, or counting objects. You don't have to type any instructions. The agent runs automatically and returns structured, reliable results. Validator Agents go one step further. Not only do they analyze the file, they check it against the context you provide. That might be an expected label, an object that must be present, or a checklist of items. The agent validates whether the image matches what's expected and raises an alarm if something is missing or the quality drops. Let's set up the Slack bot. First, create an account with Tiliter. Click Login or try for free on the Tiliter homepage. You'll be redirected to the agent platform login page. Select Sign Up, enter your details, create a password and click Create Account. Confirm your email and you're all set. Next, go to API keys. Type in the name of your choice and click Create. An API key will be generated. Keep this safe, you'll need it in a moment. Next, install the bot either from the Slack app directory or directly via the download button at tiliter.com. Once installed, invite the bot into the channel where you want to use it. Now type set API key and paste in the key you just created on Tiliter's AI platform. Press enter to confirm and your account is now linked. The next step is to choose which agent you want to run. Type choose agent and from the list select the vision agent you'd like. You will only need to do this once. From then on, every image you share with the bot will be analyzed automatically by that agent. If you want to change the agent later, just type choose agent again and select a different one. Let's start by uploading an image with an Evaluator agent. Once selected, simply upload the image and within seconds the result appears right in the Slack thread. This can be used to extract information automatically or to create structured, searchable data inside Slack. Now, let's have a look at the Validator agent. Once selected, type set agent input to clarify what you're looking for. In this example, we use a set of numbers that should appear on our surgical equipment. We type in the numbers we want to check for, in our case 20, 23, 25, and 30. Then we upload the image. Within seconds, the results are shown. 20 and 23 were matched, but 25 and 30 are missing. This kind of validation is especially important when missing items create risk, for example in healthcare, manufacturing or logistics, where every component must be accounted for before moving forward. Now you've seen how Tiliter Vision Agents work in Slack. Thanks for watching and see you next time.